Alright, we good. Get that gasket.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes, sir. Rise and grind, good people. Man, I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Working on a 2008 Dodge Caliber SXT. Alright, these codes that we got pulled up. This is what we got. That's that front catalytic converter. We got a few other codes. But the main one is going to be that cat. So what we're doing is replacing the catalytic converter and the bank 1 sensor. That's what we got. I got to tin up because this rain about to come down. Alright, game time. It's got some off and on rain today. Alright, so brand new, coming out the box. This part was like $700 at Auto Parts Store, AutoZone. Got a gasket with it. See what we looking like. That's the front sensor upstream before the cat. Replace that one. Get this part number. That's what we got. And that is the cat. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up under this guy. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and take out this O2 sensor. That'll be an easy one. Shouldn't be too bad. Get our socket. That's an O2 sensor. Socket right there. I'll show you how I'm getting that one off. You can see that short extension, 3/8 ratchet, and that guy twist off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Unhook the harness. Alright, next we're gonna go ahead and put some WD-40 on these bolts. And it looks like we got 4 of them. So this is how I'm gonna go about getting the 13mm bolts out. I'm gonna go up underneath. I made a long extension so I can reach, hit it with my impact gun. Alright, we up under it. See these bolts here. See them better. Boom. Get all 4 of them. Went ahead and removed all 4 of those bolts. I left that one in there right there just to hold it. And about to take out this O2 sensor. Alright, now we're gonna go to the rear of it. We gotta get that bolt out so we can pull it out. Yeah, I gotta say this is the hardest part of the job. See how I got it pushed up in there to the left side. just to get this out. That was tough. And of course, the rain. But it ain't stopping it. Got it out, man. Yep, there's a little struggle. It's old, seized up in there. Gotta wiggle, gotta jiggle. Spray some WD-40. But they matching up. And we about to go in. New O2 sensor. Go ahead and put that in now. Alright, we good. Get that gasket. Put that on there and reinstall, man. You're gonna need a she said it had some skipping going on. But I'm gonna recommend those spark plugs to be replaced as well. I went ahead and put both of them in. Now we're going back in. Go ahead and put that gasket on there. And we back in there. Alright, got it running. We're gonna go ahead and erase that code. Turn it off and turn the key forward in order to do that. Alright, that check engine light off. That's gonna be it, man. Yes, sir. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, man. And until next time, man. Pull up, King.